I'm going to show you how to scan and interpret the code and how to clean the throttle body of this vehicle. Another thing, I'm going to show you how to swap the mass airflow sensor. Finally, I'm going to show you how to clear the check engine on the dashboard. Stay tuned. GariAutoCare, Team Wire. Right now I have Skyline. This vehicle has a problem with the check engine misfire. Let me start the vehicle. See, the idling is not stable, it's fluctuating. Then we have check engine on the dashboard. See, check engine. Let me show you. See, has a misfire. It's a misfire. See. Today I'm going to show you how to solve that. First, I'm going to scan this vehicle using my thinker. This is the gadget I'm going to use so that we identify the main fault. Let me read the fault code. So here the fault code are ASCD switch. Then we have mass airflow sensor circuit bank 2. So the MAF Sensor bank 2 has a problem, P010C. So it has a problem with mass airflow sensor. So I'm going to show you that mass airflow sensor. See, so this is the sensor 1, this is the sensor 2, bank 2, sensor 1, bank 1, sensor 1. This is the mass airflow sensor. So I'm going to replace with the new one. So we are done. The next step is to install the sensor. So this is the old one, this is the new one. We are done with bank 2 sensor 1. So we are going to bank 1 sensor 1. This is a double throttle. This is the first throttle. Let me show you the second throttle. It's a VQ37 engine. So I'm going to remove the socket, this clip. Then we have another clip here. Have another one here. This is the second one. So this is the bang one sensor 1 MAF sensor. So I'm going to replace with the new one. This is the new one. That carbon. See, right now it's clean. Then next is to install back. Like that. Then the new one. This is the new one. Then I need to tighten those clips. That have another clip here. Then the clip that. Then we have here the lock. I think we are done. After cleaning throttle and replacing two MAF airflow sensor, so the next step here is to put ignition on. Ignition is on. So I'm going back to clear that fault code from the system. Are you sure you want to clear the fault code? Yes. Okay. Let me start the vehicle. 1, 2, 3. Yes. The vehicle is running very smooth. See, the engine is stable. Let me go and show you. Engine is running smooth. The VQ37, the beast. Let me start again. See, right now everything's working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.